streaming. And Kyra Denton is on the report. And Jessica Urch. Okay. This record or? Yes, I'm sorry. I thought we were on. This is a matter of Skyly Grezikowski, post-term. Let's see. Mr. Kelly, I believe you're LGAL on this file.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And Kyra Denton and Jessica Urch are also present, Shannon. Do we? Skyly's part. Oh, okay. Are we expecting anyone else?
I don't think so.
Okay. How's Skyly doing?
Your Honor, when I called placement, I got their voicemail and I voicemail requesting a return call, and they did not return the call. I typically talk to them, so it's slightly unusual. I did have an opportunity to review the report. I'm in agreement with the recommendations and the ultimate goal of adoption.
Ms. Denton or Ms. Urch, do either of you have anything to add?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right, I will implement the recommendations. We'll set our next review hearing for June 1st. Boy, June sounds awfully good, doesn't it? June 1st at 8:45. And we're hopeful for finalization before that.
I think so.
Well, that would be good. Obviously, disregard the date if we're able to finalize before then. Thank you. Okay, next up is the Spence Austin Blevins minors. Ms. Beidelschies is here. We'll bring her in. Let's see. I've got one device not identified. Let me see who that is.
That's the father.
Right. I noticed that. Mr. McClinton Austin, you can hear me?
Yes.
All right. I've got a device that's unidentified. It just says a Moto G fast. Can you hear me? Good morning, ma'am. Can you hear me? Okay, looks like we're connected. What is your name, please?
Adrian Blevins.
Okay, good. We've got everybody here. All right. Mr. Hotchkiss is LGAL, Mr. Way for the petitioner. Ms. McCluskey represents Ms. Blevins. Mr. Kelly represents Mr. McClinton Austin, and Sabrina Beitelshees is here for the agency. Okay, so let's start with Mr. Hotchkiss. How are all of these children doing?
The kids are doing fine in home. I can report to the court that we had a meeting last week, myself, the agency, and Mr. Way, and looking over the court report and the recommendations. It's my understanding that after that meeting, the agency may be amending the recommendations. And as you may recall, last time we were here, I don't know if it was going to be the court or someone was going to check into having the parents participate in that Big C at friend of the court in an attempt to work out a parenting time arrangement. It appears that the parents do co-parent together. I don't think that the agency is of the mindset that there's a lot more that they can do unless something else were to occur. And unless I'm missing something or things have changed, I believe that the agency may recommend a closure once a custody order can be effectuated. And I'll leave that to the agency in case things have changed. I did speak to Mr. Way just briefly this morning, and he wasn't aware of any changes.
So, Ms. Beitelshees, where is the agency on this case?
Good morning. We are requesting case closure at this time.
Is there a custody order in place?
If I could, Your Honor, there are custody files. What the court suggested last time was to refer them to FOC conciliators to kind of address the parenting time schedule. So what we had talked about was we would like some sort of order to that effect in the custody files. One of them is with Judge Rapley. The other one is with Judge Jordan, as I remember. And then, so once there is some sort of order to refer them to that, then we would be comfortable closing the case.
I can certainly follow through on that with both Judge Rapley and Judge Jordan to make sure that that referral takes place. Is there any objection to case closure on that basis?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
As soon as those referral orders are entered, so that the ball is rolling with the friend of the court, everyone's comfortable that at that point we can close the file without waiting to see what results from that conciliation process, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
Yes.
All right. Well, there being no objection, I am happy to grant that request. I will provide so in my order. In the meantime, I will set a review hearing date, although there won't be a review hearing unless something really goes south here. So that date is June 1st at 8:45.
Thank you.
Thank
All
you.
right. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Mr. Wade, do you happen to have those custody file numbers handy?
I'm going to pull them up right now. Judge Rapley's case is 17-3152-DS. And then Judge Jordan's is 15-1249-DM.
Great, thank you. So Shannon, once that order's prepped, remind me so that I can have Peter do those.
Okay.
Thank you. Frog that I can't dislodge.
Or oyster.
Right. Okay, let's see. I have, let me see, what's the dad's name in Axel Lovett file?
Keegan Lovett.
Keegan, okay. I see that I've got Kevin Lovett logged in. That's the placement, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, and I have a Moto E6. Let me see who that is. Oh, Shannon, I stuck that cheat sheet in that file. Sorry. I hope it's there. Yep. What is your name, sir?
I'm Keegan. Love it.
Oh, okay. I thought so. I just want to make
Yeah.
sure. All right, hold on. I need to turn off the live.